Hello YouTube, I'm going to try to make this video quick. I'm not sure if what window region my screen recorder is capturing, but it's 10:15 and I still kind of got to get my shower done and get some homework done. Yes, I'm a procrastinator when it comes to schoolwork. Um, my latest video was thanking effects. Now, this year on New Year's, I actually made a resolution, and I'm really trying to stick to it, and that is to become the best programmer I can possibly become in a year's span. And each month I try to do something different that can improve it. January was just program when you can, to get more experience. This month was mainly on math. You know, try to do things logically and mathematically. That way things will turn out better and you won't have to think about problems. And this month, since it's about to turn into since it's nearing the end of February, I'm gonna try to go a whole month without asking Effects any questions. It actually started today. I even told Effects, but yeah, I feel like I'm kind of being too dependent, and I'm probably annoying the hell out of them when I'm asking them constant questions about when I should inherit and when I should not. Um, but I'm gonna try to just do that. I personally think I can do it since I think I got down inheritance. I'm pro. But as I said, it started today, and this is what I have done. As you may know, if you've been following me with my videos, I have a framework called PlaTech Environment. Well, since the object-oriented part design was a lot better than before, I was able to start on the engine very fastly. And this is my engine. It's called PlaTech or PlaTech, and it's mainly a platforming engine. But well, at least that's how it was supposed to start. But now that I'm running these tests without gravity, it really appears, and let me see if the screen is picking it up. I don't think it's picking it up all up. Okay, there we go. And when gravity's turned off, I realize that this is actually a pretty good top-down type thing. But nonetheless, it's still pretty good. As you can see, I'm not sure how choppy it'll appear on YouTube. I hope it turns out well. But I'm moving my player with the mouse. I mean, not the mouse, the keyboard. And as you can see, you gradually gain speed until you reach your max speed, which shows a realistic type thing for simulating running or getting a walking start. Because in real life, obviously, you don't just dart your fastest speed, you gotta pick up speed. So the way this works is I have a max speed, I have a speed acceleration or a speed increase, and I have a starting speed. And basically when all keys are let go, it starts the speed at, or it resets the movement speed at the start, which should be 0, 0. I'm not sure when it would be something else, but it's 0, 0. And then when you press a key, depending on which key, it'll move in that direction and gradually increase the movement speed. So why is this other sprite here, you ask? That's a great question, whoever asks that. I've been working on physics for the past half an hour, and I determined that this is a really good start in pushable objects. As you can see, I can push this, and slide is currently turned on. What this means is I can run at an object, and the object that's not moving is the pushable. And obviously this is my player. Players are the only thing that can push objects, by the way. When you run a player into an object, it transfers its speed, or I believe the scientific term is kinetic energy. I'm not sure, please correct me if I'm wrong. But it transfers basically its speed into that object, causing it to slide. I really hope it's kinetic energy, because now I feel dumb. But it runs on per pixel collision tests first. As you can see, the masking boxes are clearly colliding, yet nothing's happening. but when you actually have the pixels colliding, it does stuff. The way this works out is basically it checks for per pixel, as I just stated. Then, if they collide, then it checks the bounding box. If it collided with the top of the box, it'll move it down. If it collided with the left of the box, it'll move it right. And vice versa for both angles. The way it slides is, as I said, it transfers its speed. It has a speed decrease or a slide decrease value, which causes it to decrease the movement speed of the pushable, which creates a slide effect. For example, let's say I'm moving at 2 pixels per frame. That means that I transfer that speed onto that, and it gradually decreases really fast, but not too fast to where it just stops. Just fast enough to where it creates a slide effect. Now, I'm going to prove to you that this isn't just the hooks. I'm going to really back up and probably max out my speed, and here I come. BAM! Look at that, just slid out of the map, or the screen. Let's see if I can drag. Nope, I missed it apparently. Okay, I'm not getting that back. Well, this is what I got done, without effects, so yay for me. But yeah, thanks Effects for all the help with the framework. What I plan on doing next is doing a level class, or probably updating the physics. I hope it all turns out for the best, and I guess good night. Wow, this is a 7-minute video.